In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Apple Pay Express Mode on your iPhone. Express Mode lets you pay for transit rides or use supported cards without unlocking your phone or even opening your wallet. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Wallet and Apple Pay settings and scroll down until you find the option that says Add Your Card. And then all I have to do is select the Express Transit cards. Now, you will see a list of available cards and choose the card you want to use for the Express mode. This can be a transit card or a supported debit or credit card depending on your region and country, and of course, the transit provider. Once you selected, your iPhone is ready to tap and go. Click the Get button. Now, when you are at the supported transit terminal, simply hold your iPhone near the reader and you don't need to unlock your phone or open the wallet app. The payment happens automatically. Remember, Express Mode only works with supported transit systems and cards. Your iPhone can still use the Express Mode for a few hours after the battery is very low using power reserve. And of course, you can change or disable your Express Mode card anytime in the wallet and Apple Pay settings. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use Apple Pay Express Mode on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.